Hi, I'm on my way to Market Street to get the ingredients for today's recipe, a super easy beef stroganoff. Come along and join me. Grabbing a package of 93% lean ground beef because I don't want to have a lot of excess fat to have to drain off. So the leaner the better. And I want to have all the beef possible inside the recipe. Moving on. I need a 10.5 ounce can cream of mushroom soup. I've already got the sour cream at home. I've got plenty of salt and pepper, and I've got garlic powder. So the only thing I have left to get is going to be egg noodles. So that's the next item. I'm getting the closest thing. I need 8 ounces of egg noodles. This is 8.8 ounces. They're the thin egg noodles. A lot of times when you're thinking about egg noodles, you're thinking about these really curly ones, but that's not necessarily the case. Most of them are probably gonna be flat, just like that. Got all the ingredients for the stroganoff. I think I'll grab a bag of salad just to have something with it. Okay, I am getting the Caesar salad kit. I know beef stroganoff is actually a Russian meal, and this is more Italian, but my wife just happens to like Caesar salad, and you know what to say? Happy wife, happy life. So that's it. Next stop, we'll be back at the kitchen. See you there. Okay, we're back in the kitchen, and we are ready to start our beef stroganoff. Now this is a simple, easy beef stroganoff because traditionally beef stroganoff actually has strips of steak in it, and we're using ground beef because I want to make sure that we're doing an everyday recipe for everyday people who can eat this any day of the week that they want to. It does not have to be for a special occasion. You don't have to have a long involved process to make this. It is simple, it is easy, and we're about to get started. Join me over at the cooktop. Okay, I've got the water boiling. I've just turned the heat on for the ground beef. I've got my egg noodles here. I'm going to very gently place them in there because I do not want to, burn myself with boiling water. They are going to boil probably for about 7 to 9 minutes until they are al dente, or a little bit firm to the touch. Next, we're going to be adding the ground beef. Like I say, it's 93% lean. We're going to start browning that up. Occasionally, give your pasta a little bit of a stir. You don't want it sticking to the bottom. Now, traditionally, stroganoff also, besides having beef, also has mushrooms in it. So at this point, you could also consider getting like a small can of mushrooms and add those to the ground beef as they're browning up. Now at this point, I'm also going to be adding salt and pepper to taste, and garlic, about 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to have the directions down below in the description. Okay, at this point I'm going to go ahead and set the beef into a colander to drain. I know it may show up like it has a few pink spots in it, but I'm not too concerned about that because it's just a few pink spots, and this meat is going to be continuing to cook after we've added the sauce to it. Let's try some of the noodles. That's pretty good, but I'm going to let it go the whole 9 minutes. Putting the beef back on to simmer a second while I drain the noodles. I'm going to be adding the noodles to our ground beef. Get the noodles stirred in with the beef. At this point, I'm going to be adding some cream of mushroom soup. And some sour cream. Quick little taste test. See if it's hot enough. See if it's salty enough. Very good. Here's how it looks. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. Your family's gonna love this. So simple, so easy, so delicious. If you like it, give me a like down below, maybe a subscription, and I will see y'all next week. Bye-bye.